Hi, folks. I hope everyone is well and staying sane during these midterms. Um, I wanted to let you know that I'm done grading. Actually, I'm caught up with grading, so if you want to see your grades or read the feedback that I provided on your essays and quizzes, go ahead and find them in D2L. After a pretty difficult week, I mean, that was a lot of work last week, I think this week is going to be relatively easy. You only have 2 reading quizzes due by the end of the week. Actually, one of them, the first reading quiz 4, is due, I believe, Wednesday or Friday. Just check on the to-do list. But you have 4 sources, 3 essays to read and a film to watch, a documentary. And I wanted to tell you that the last 2 essays, which are due, the reading quiz for that is due Sunday evening. They're fairly long, so you want to give yourself some time to read through them. And one of them is actually a defense of colonialism. Wanted to bring some level of balance to these discussions, but it's really difficult to find any scholars who defend colonialism. There are a few, and a couple of them are suspect, in my opinion. Let's see. Yeah, so the synthesis essay is next, and again, I encourage you to focus. If you find something within these sources that you find fascinating or interesting, and you want to write about that for the final essay of the semester, then I would encourage you to focus on that for the synthesis essay. So do a synthesis of that particular topic in 2 sources. And if it's something completely unrelated to any of the 6 sources that you will be focusing on for the synthesis essay, if, for example, you want to write about trophy hunting in Africa, that's not covered in any of those sources. But you can certainly write about that for the argumentative essay. If you want to do that for the synthesis essay, then obviously feel free to find 2 sources on your own and synthesize that information. That's perfectly acceptable to me, because I don't want you to think to reinvent the wheel with each assignment. So if you can focus on the topic for your final essay with the synthesis essay and the remaining assignments, then that would be beneficial to you. That's about it, folks. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, just email me and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and I'll see you online.